welcome to Club Wyndham Kirra Beach. I'm Debbie Meffan, your resort manager. Kirra was built in 2002 and I was one of the lucky people to be on the team to open Kirra Beach. So let me tell you a bit about my resort.
We have 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments. We also have our deluxe apartments which are located on level 14. On level 14, this gives you exclusive use to the rooftop facilities where you can enjoy the most amazing sunsets while having a barbecue or enjoying the heated spa. So some of the things that you can do while you're staying at Kirra Beach. Come and enjoy a game of mini golf or play a game of pool while cooking a barbecue for your family. Or just grab a bike and ride along our beautiful coastline. Or you could try your hand at surfing at our famous Kirra waves. We also have a heated pool, sauna, gym and a children's playground for the little ones. Some of the must-dos while you're staying with us at Kirra Beach. For those who like a bit of adventure, you can catch the first sunrise of mainland Australia from the summit of Mount Warning. Or you can walk to Point Danger, which will allow you to take in some of the Gold Coast's best surf breaks and do a spot of whale watching. Another family favourite is the Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary. Or if you are like me, just lie on the beach and read a good book while you relax.
I'm very proud of Kirra Beach and my team, and I enjoy looking after you and making your stay a memorable one. We look forward to seeing you all again soon.